And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, I do this about every night. And one of my biggest things is that, every fall, I always see meteorologists talk about, well, I've got my winter forecast coming out. And you got to stay tuned. I'm going to have it out, say in October. I'm going to have it out in November. I think you should always be forecasting for the next season. And I like to do that every week, every night. I'm already looking at next winter. I'm already looking at next fall. I'm looking for summer. I'm looking for next summer for planning purposes. So right now I'm still working on this blog post. I did one last night, but I'm doing another one tonight on what may unfold in the coming months and what the data is showing today. So you want to check that out. I should have that done by 11 o'clock. I'll put a link on my Facebook page. But we also talk about the short-term forecast, and that short-term forecast looks pretty good tomorrow and Sunday. We got a 39 in the morning, chilly for the 5K over at Ross-Ade and over at Purdue, but then the afternoon looks good. If you're heading to Spring Fest, say at noon, looks good at 61. It's going to be about 67 at 3, lots of sunshine, bit of a breeze from the west-southwest, a drying wind. The humidity will be very low tomorrow. I mean tanking. Dew points 20s and 30s. So the soils are very wet after all this rain. We're going to be evaporating a lot of that tomorrow with 64 to 71 for highs. How about a 77 to 82 on Sunday with a lot of wind? Wind strong out of the southwest, partly cloudy, then mostly sunny to sunny, then partly cloudy again. And only 57 for the low during the morning. 80 in Lafayette, 82 at Attica, 81 Fowler, and 79 for the high at Flora and Burlington. There's tonight. Again, we clear it out. Note the clock tomorrow. Clear skies, beautiful day. Partly cloudy tomorrow night, partly cloudy Sunday morning as you're heading off to church. Then we got us a mostly clear to clear sky and part of the afternoon, and then some more clouds come in towards evening. And there's a cold front right here, and this cold front will move south. The thing is, we'll be lucky to get any shower or storm to pop on it because of a warm, dry layer aloft, a lid, a cap. But as quickly as the front goes through and the wind goes north, the wind will quickly go back to the south on Monday. So Monday, we're right back to where we started on a Sunday. Highs near 80 to well into the 80s on Monday. But then we watch the storm risk. We've got really two periods of severe weather risk. One Tuesday night. We've got another, it's either late Wednesday or Thursday. It's really hard. The models are having trouble pinpointing the exact timing. But between the two rounds, 1 to 2 inches of rain getting into next week. So here's your big severe weather outbreak in the plains on Monday. Then we get a couple storms Tuesday morning, then a break. It's an 80s afternoon and humid. And then this is severe weather right here. This comes in Tuesday night. We may have an enhanced risk of severe weather Tuesday night. Wouldn't surprise me. And we're likely going to have another round of storms with maybe slight risk, maybe enhanced. We'll wait and see. That would be somewhere late Wednesday or Thursday. But it's warm and it's humid. Notice the highs near 80 to well into the 80s. But then dogwood winter comes in. It's a cool period of frost and chilly weather that usually happens when the dogwoods are in full bloom. And we get that next Saturday, struggling to 50. Next Sunday, an overnight low probably around 29 or 30 and low 60s a week from Monday.